Okay, first of all, we have a Git server. Git server means where we maintain our code or where we maintain our files, where we maintain our codes, okay, or any other files, config file or etc. Okay, so this is the location where Git server. So we call it as github.com. Okay, and we have also Bitbucket, SVN, lots of are available in the market, but we will be discussing about the GitHub and Git also. So this is about the Git server. Okay, and now the second term is Git client. Okay, it's a developer VM, developer machine. Okay, and then repository. This is a very basic term we will be discussing. We will be talking about the each term. Okay, so before proceeding ahead, so you need to understand what is a repository, what is a client, what is a server, what is a local repository, what is staging and all. Okay, so that's why I'm mentioning here and just a brief about it, because yesterday I've already told you about, I have already explained you all the things. Okay, so Git repository, it's a folder. It is a folder in which we maintain our code. Okay, so we have a two type of repository here. The first one is, this is like a folder. Okay, like in the Linux we have a directory and we have a folder in Windows, so same way we have a repository in our Git. It's a, like a folder in which we will maintain our codes or we will maintain our files. So in this scenario we have a two type of files are there. The first one is client repository. Client repository. Okay, it's a server side repository. Server side, or you can say GitHub repository. The GitHub folder. Okay, and the second one is local repository. That means developer repository or developer folder, like our machine. Okay, the same machine which I am using right now, that is a developer machine. Okay, any other like Devops person or any other person maybe. So this is a local repository. So we will be managing our code here and we will push into the code in GitHub central repository. Okay, so this is the scenario we are going to achieve here. Okay, so this is some brief about the technical terms we will be using. So this is enough for starting the Git right now. So but now we have a lots of terms there, but for the beginning it's enough for to start. And if I am talking about the some basic commands for you to remember, that will help you, that you need to understand. This is a simple ls command. Okay, let me take a new page. Commands which you need to understand, you need to follow. Okay, ls. ls means it's a Linux command. Okay, it will show you all the files in the working directory. Show files in working directory. Whenever I am using wd, it's mean working directory. Working directory. Okay, SA means staging area. Okay, and LR means local repository. Okay, so this is a term we will be using. Okay, whenever I am using LR, that's a local repository. Okay, if I use a CR, that means central repository, like GitHub repository. Okay, github.com repository. Okay, So here it will show the files in working directory. It's the same Linux command which you're using in the Linux. Okay, and now second command is git ls hyphen files. What it will show? It will show about the files and folder or any other thing in staging area and local repository. Okay, don't be confused. That's why I'm writing, because whenever I will executing all the commands, so it will make a confusion for you. So whenever you are in confused, so you have this notes like whenever you are using the git ls hyphen of files, so it will show the files and folder and the staging area and lr local repository. Okay, we will not discuss about the central repository. Okay, we will discussing about the three areas only: working directory, staging area, local repository here only. Okay, and git diff or any other file name. What it will show? It will show the difference. Show difference between working directory and staging area. As simple as that. It will show the difference between the working directory and staging area. Git difference hyphen staged and file name. Okay, and it will show you the difference between staging area and latest commit of file or folder, whatever. Guys, if you have any doubt, you can speak out to me and you can discuss with me. Okay, and get rm a means like it's a file abc.pdf or anything like that. So I'm just for my reference I'm using the a only, a.txt. Okay, so it will, what it will show? It will remove the file. It will remove a from working directory and staging area as well. Okay, there is a difference here. It will remove the a, remove the file, or remove the a from. A means it's a file, it's not a small a, right? It's a file, a.txt. Okay, it will remove the a from working directory and staging area. It is very important for you to understand, because as a DevOps person you need to work on the repository and all, because every time whenever you are working on the Kubernetes, you are working on Terraform, you are managing the manifest file or something like that, or Jenkins file. Okay, so where you will manage the files, you will manage the file into the source code management. You are not managing the file into your local machine, okay, any other machine. Okay, you are managing the file and Jenkins file, YAML file, Ansible YAML file, okay, and Terraform file templates and all. Okay, so you will be managing all the things in source code management. It depends on your company. Your company is using the Bitbucket or they are using the GitHub. Mostly they will use the Git. So if you are master into the Git, so it will be easy for you to understand Bitbucket and all. But most of the cases they will use the GitHub, so it will be easy for you. So as a DevOps person, it is a very common thing. You need to understand the difference, otherwise it may chaos for you. You will not able to manage your files. If you are not able to manage your file, how you will be working on the project? Git git rm. You see, in the git we have lots of commands are available. Okay, hundreds of commands are available, but here I will only show you only those commands which is very important for you. Okay, that is enough for you. It will remove the file, remove the a file from only staging area. It will remove the A file from the staging area. So there is a difference between the git rm. A rm means remove, git means git, rm remove, a means file. Okay, so here it will remove the file from the working directory in staging area. Let me open any uh, one second. It will be more clear for you. I'm just trying to make you understand how it works. I have a diagram app, a separate PPT in my MacBook, but I don't have any Windows. I will transfer to my Windows. No worries. So this is my working directory. This is my staging area. This is my local repository. This is the remote repository. Okay. So here, if you see, okay, if you see, we are working on the working directory. Okay, as of now. Let me take the pencil. Why? Sorry for that, because I am not compatible with Windows. I am compatible with Mac only, Mac OS only. So that's why it is complex for me. So this is the Git architecture. Okay, so here we have a working directory. We have a working directory means like your local machine in which your machine you are working. That's a working directory. You are creating any folder, you are deleting any folder, you are modifying anything. So that's how you are working on. WD means working directory. Then staging area. This is a virtual layer that is created by the Git only, Git architecture. Okay, so we have a two virtual layer here, staging area and local repository. Okay, so this is separated by a single layer. Working directory is separated by local repository by the staging area and local repository. We have a file, suppose that we have a file. Okay, if we are going to git add, we fire the git add command. Okay, so a file will be into the staging area. In staging area we will pre-check it, like this changes need to be required or not. Okay, if it is required, first of all you will check like I have done some changes, and you will review. Okay, so if you think like you need to commit, you need to make to the live. Okay, then only you will commit those changes. If you finalize the changes, okay, so you will you will commit into the local repository. That is also the virtual layer. Okay, in the when you will commit, you will get a commit id. In the git we will place only with the commit id only. If you are master with how to tackle with the commit id and all, you will be able to master the git. Okay, so this is all about your local environment. Till we have local environment. Now this environment is github.com, remote repository. Okay, remote in the production environment we have a thousand of hundreds of repository are there. Okay, so you need to specify in which repository, in which folder you are going to push your changes. Okay, so then you will push the changes into the your github.com. In the github.com you have a repository, that's a remote repository. There you will push your changes. Okay, in the environment we have a multiple environments like prod environment. Okay, for an example, prod environment, prep environment. Pay attention guys here. Prep, prep, p. Okay, prep, like UAT environment. Okay, lots of environment are there. It depends on company to company which environment they are, how many environment they are using. It's only p. Okay, So this is a live environment. This is the master environment, master branch. You can consider it. Okay. Whatever you push your changes into the prod environment, so it will be live for your end user. Okay, but that is not a best practice as of now in your company. So you need to follow the policy of your company. So what you will do, you will push your change into the lower environment, that is like UAT environment. Okay, then you will tester will test their application. Application is live on the environment is UAT. Okay, on the UAT, some developers are there, some tester are there, some client support team are there. They will they will check the changes like if it is working expected or not. If it is good, then they will promote it to the prep environment. Okay, again they will pre-check it like you have changes and the changes are working fine or not, like menu button is working fine or not, or any login page is working loading or not. Okay, and logout button is working or not. Okay, if these kind of changes are working fine, then you will move it to the promote it to the production environment. Okay, then only you will do in the production environment, then it will be live for your end users. Okay, so you have followed the pre-check. You have followed the pre-check. It would be working fine for end user all over the world. Anyone can access your website or application with no any issue, because you have already validated your changes into the prep environment and UAT environment. Okay, in my company we are using the six environment: prod, prep, UAT, integration, app build, and staging. Okay, it depends company to company. Like if it is a like fintech company, like for a finance company, okay, so finance company will be more conscious. Okay, so they may have the like 8 environments or 9 environments are there. Okay, for fintech company, if it is not a critical application, so they may can have like 2 environments, 3 environment, at least 3 environments is available in every company. Okay, just to check like your changes are working fine or not. If it is not working fine, then they will send the feedback to the developers. Developer will do again the changes. If it is fine, then they will promote it to the upper environment. Then again prod environment. This is the main. This is the production. If there are any issue in the production environment, your application may crash. Yeah, anyone is speaking?
Anshul Pushparaj here. Prep and pre or is there? May know the full form of what that for that one. You told second you one completed UAT. After we need to go for a pre or like that you told. What is the full form of that one? What will exactly will happen?
Prep means pre-production. Before you are publishing your website to the production environment master branch. So then you will do some pre-check. You will deploy your application over the prep environment, prep pre-production before the production. Okay, it will not live. It will not live for the let me show you one example. Like for an example, sbi.com. If you see, this is the front page, right? It is coded in the some other language like Python, JavaScript, or any other language. Oh, okay, I don't know in which language they have wrote this language, this website. Okay, so this is the production environment. This is the production branch. Okay, if they are doing some changes into the prep environment, pre-production, so it will not reflect here. What it will reflect here? Only the changes made into the production environment. It's a production environment, what we are seeing here. Now is it clear to you?
Yes, Anshul, clear.
Any other doubt guys till now? Or shall I proceed further? Guys, whenever I required confirmation, please speak out and mute yourself and speak out to me. If it is new,
Okay, okay.
okay. Thank you for your confirmation. So here, if you are using the git rm and file name, okay, so this is a very basic command you need to you need to be used to it. Okay, so whenever you are git rm a means file name, so it will remove from the working directory and staging area. Git rm and hyphen cache a file name, so it will remove from the only staging area. Git reward, very important command. It is like a very common term like undo. You do undo control Z in your computer, right? So same way we have a undo command here. This is like undo. As simple as that. So whenever you have done some mistake, okay, and you want to do undo, so it is not possible into your CLI mode like you will do control Z. That will not gonna work here, okay. So we have a command here, get reward a, okay, get reward file name. So it will undo your file, undo your changes. Okay, so in the CLI for the git you will use the git reward a that will undo the changes, as simple as that. Okay, git reset and hyphen hard and for an example head, or take this one. This is a tile sign, okay, 2. So what else it will do? Remove topmost 2 commits. Okay, it will remove the top 2 commits from all WD staging area and local repository. Okay, so there is a difference here. So you can use the hard, soft and mix as per your requirement, as per your need. Okay, so for an example, let me give some here WD working directory and as a staging area and local repository. Okay, and get status. Okay, so we have a parameter like hard, where to use hard and where to use soft and where to use mixed. Okay, so it depends on your requirement. So like you are using the hyphen hard. Okay, so what it will do, it will remove from here. Okay, it will remove from here, remove here, it will remove from here, it will delete from all. Okay, it will not be available into the git status. Okay, if you are using the git hyphen soft, okay, so what it will do, it will be available here. Let me use the n, not available, not available, not available. Okay, staging area available, and in the local repository it will not be available, and what it will show, to be committed. Don't be confused like what I'm writing here. Just we will do some practice and we will do hands-on, so it will be your more clarity. But before going ahead, so you need to understand what command what does do. Okay, mixed. So it's a command you need to understand before going ahead. Okay, untracked. Okay, so let's do some practical, so it will more clarity for you guys. Guys, if you don't have any VS Code Studio, so you can download it, because in the environment you will be using the VS Code only. Okay, this is the this is like a notepad. Okay, advanced notepad, nothing else. But you need to be hands-on on this thing, because the company are looking only for VS Code. You will be managing your file and you will be typing, because in your environment you will not be using notepad there. Okay, you will be using the VS Code for your managing your application and code and all config files and all. Okay, so this is like advanced notepad, nothing else. So first of all you need to create the folder here. Okay, it's the same way like we use. I will create a new folder. Let me go into desktop. I don't have any folder, so I will create a new folder here. Demo. Not opening. Again, open folder. Desktop. I created this folder demo. Okay, and select folder here. If you are not able to download the VS Code, I will give you some PDF. Okay, you can download it. Even if you are not able to configure, so you can let me know. I will help you. Okay, so I have this folder. You can see this is my folder demo. If you want to see in my real, so this is I created demo. Okay, same way. You can do anything. You can create the folder. You can delete the folder. You can create the file. You can give some permission. Whatever you are doing in your CMD or Git bash, the same way you will be using the VS Code. In your company, you will be using the Git this one. Okay, so first of all, I will create any file here. A.txt. This is my file. Okay, so let me open the terminal here. Go click on here and go terminal, new terminal. Okay, this is the like you can fire any command. Okay, chmod and all. Okay, Tarusha, you are already there, right? So I told you like you can use the git bash, but here you can also fire any command, Linux command into the.
Okay.
Okay, you can use this one.
Mm. For use for Git instead of using Git Bash, we can use this command in this VS Code.
Yeah, you need to familiar with this tool. Okay, VS Code, because in your company, whenever you will switch your company or you will join the company, you will not be using the git bash, you will be using a VS Code.
Okay.
Okay, so let me, this is my new file, this is my code. Okay, then once you have done right, so if you see there's a small circle, control S. Okay, so now it is saved. Okay, the circle is gone away. Okay, so first of all, what I need to do it, I need to initialize the git here. Okay, git init, because as of now if you can see git is not here. See, only a.txt is here. If you want to create the git here, go here in terminal. Let me clear the terminal. Git init. Okay, in the demo folder my git has been initialized. Okay, now I will be using the git command here without any issue. Okay, so what I will do, where is my I have created this file a, and in this file I have wrote some content. So where I right now is in, I am working directory right now. As of now I'm working in the working directory. This is my location as of now. So I will do git add and file name is a, or you can use the dot for all the files which is in your wd working directory. If you want to specify any file, you will use the a and tab. Okay, so use the git status here. If you see here, changes to be committed. Right now, where is what is my location of this file? The location of the file is staging area, because I fired the command git add. Okay, now I am right now in the staging area. Okay, then I will do the git commit, then my file into the local repository, as simple as that. Okay, and also if you see that this is the command git rm -fn cached and file name. Yeah, Ujjwal, you are speaking something.
Yeah, yeah. The screen is I'm only unable to see, or is like, or so I'm unable to see.
Is it the same for all?
We can see the screen.
Yes, we can able to
Okay.
see. There is no issue with me. And one more thing I want to know for backward slash you told right backward slash dot txt right why we need to give a backward slash for that one git add dot forward slash dot txt we need to without using a dot txt also it works or else what is that?
It will work. It will work. Without the backslash, it will work also. What I wrote, I just enter the A and then I use a tab. Okay, it automatically took the tab.
Okay, without git add a dot txt if used also it will work right it will complete
Yes,
the code
yes,
right.
yes, yes.
Okay, okay, fine. Thank you.
Tarushan, you can mute yourself.
For this, we required any code for this.
No, no, no. You don't need to be required. You don't need to be manage any code. But as a DevOps person, you need to manage the configuration file. You will be having some manifest file. Okay, you need to take care YAML file and all. Okay, this kind of file you need to manage only. Okay, and
Okay.
developer will give you some codes, and that code will be into the containerized form in the Dockerized form. Okay, you don't need to worry about that.
Okay.
Just for sampling purpose, like I'm giving some context here, just for make you understand how it works. Then you can explore it and you can master into yourself, because I will deliver my best, and then you need to hands on it from your end. Okay, then you will be able to master it. Now if you see there's a command of git. Right now my files into the this area, staging area. And now for an example, mistakenly I did switch some mistake here. And due to this mistake, I just pushed my code into the staging area. Okay, how to get back my code into the working directory. Okay, mistakenly I moved my code into the staging area. Now what are my requirement? I want to get back my code into working directory because I want to do some changes that was not required at all. Okay, so how to do that? So we have a command of git rm hyphen hyphen cached and file name. Okay, a.txt, simple. Okay, if you see here git status. So if you see here, so first of all, where what I was getting, changes need to be committed. It means change need to be committed means you need I need to commit the changes. Okay, but now what I'm seeing here, after getting back untracked file, it means whenever you are seeing the untracked file, that is the new file. It means new file. Whenever you are just getting the untracked file, that means it's a completely new file or new code or new file. Let me note down.
So can you increase the font little bit if it's possible?
Is it fine?
तो
सही है, अभी और करूं?
थोड़ा सा और font. Yeah, this is okay.
So if you see here, this is the untracked files. Okay, it means it's a completely new file. Okay, it's again asking me to get add file. So my file will be into the staging area. As of now my file into the working area, because I get back my file into the working directory. Now again I will do get add then my file into the staging area. Now what I will do, get add and file name. Okay, now get status. If you see here, now it is showing me the some notes, changes to be committed. Okay, if you want to unstage, because I am right now in staging area. I am right now in staging area. Okay, so what I will do, I will do commit here now. Commit here hyphen m for message and give here name. Adding new file a. Whatever message you want to give here, just write down here. Okay, enter. If you see here, one file has been changed and the insertion is one file. Okay, and this is the commit. Every time whenever you are committing some file, this is my local deposit. Now your code is into the local repository. Now your file is into the local repository. Okay, whenever you are doing something into the local repository, you will have the tracking file, tracking code, that is a commit ID. You can track your file. Every time you are pushing your changing something into the local repository, you will be having the commit ID. So how to check it? Git log enter. Okay, as of now I have only given one changes here. This is my one change. You can see, right? Head is nothing else. Head is a pointer where you are right now. What is your current location? My current location is this commit ID. Okay, this commit ID. If suppose that if we are having the multiple commit ID like 5 or 10 commit ID, so it will head will point your latest commit. Okay, in the commit message I just wrote this one. Okay, this is the command. It will show you in the very brief manner. Okay, this is a 7 letter. Whenever you are just doing something with the commit, so this will work for you. Okay, so we have a commit get show and commit ID. If you want to explore more like what is happening in this commit ID, what happened, so it will show you in brief manner like adding a file A. Then I Q means quit. Okay, now what I will do, I will create a new file here again. B dot txt usual.
Sir, adding a new file, that is okay. Okay, that's and def that get what is this representation? What's the meaning of this line? So ये क्या वो जो मतलब जो भी दिया है, we don't have to focus on this, और ये हमें समझना चाहिए कि क्या है इसमें?
Diff का TX7 बताओ. I already told you like what diff will do here.
नहीं, ये तो आप बैक आइए सर, बैक
एक मिनट.
प्लीज कम बैक.
इसके बारे में कह रहा हूँ. Speaking
हाँ
about
हाँ, आप ये आपने कमिट किया, कमिट के बाद जो जो आया है आंसर, एडिंग अ न्यू फाइल, ये जो एडिंग अ न्यू फाइल, फाइल का जो नाम आपने फाइल ए, राइट सर, एंड डिफ डैश डैश गेट, ये न्यू फाइल मोड. सो ये थोड़ा सा एक्सप्लेन मुझे, मतलब ये तो उन्होंने मतलब आंसर ही आया ना, मतलब
हाँ मैं वही चीज मैं बता रहा हूँ. 1 सेकंड. Okay, if you see here, we have a two command, get diff A and get diff hyphen hyphen stage A. Okay, so whenever you will fire this command get diff A, so it will show the difference between the working directory and staging area. Okay, let's have example. Get diff, what it will do? It will show nothing because as of now, what is the condition here? Let me take a new file, so it will be more easy for you to understand. For an example, I have this. This is my new file B. Okay, this is my new file. Okay, I am just saving it. Now what I will do? Get status. It will show me the untracked file now. If you see here, so
this is a new file, so that's why this is okay untracked, right? तो ऐसा उसने क्यों दे दिया? जब हमने कमिट किया फर्स्ट फाइल को, तो उसने डिफ वो क्यों दिया? मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आया था.
वो उसने ये इसलिए ही दिया है बस दिखाने के लिए कि अभी तुम्हारे पास फाइल में कुछ नहीं है. वो उसने अभी कुछ नहीं दिया है, ठीक है. उसने बस ये दिखाया तुम्हारा कंटेंट क्या है कि एडिंग न्यू फाइल ए. ठीक है, बाकी ये उन्हें कमांड दिखाया कि तुम इसके थ्रू भी अपने डिफरेंस निकाल सकते हो कि क्या डिफरेंस है. ठीक है, और जो मेन जो कंटेंट है वो यही है, उसने एक कमांड बताई है कि आप ये कमांड यूज कर सकते हो। अब जैसे कि ये कमांड आपको इट विल रिकमेंड सम कमांड्स आल्सो, ओके। सो इफ यू रिक्वायर दिस कमांड यू कैन यूज, इफ यू डोंट रिक्वायर यू विल नॉट यूज, ओके। So I'm just using git diff and you will be able to understand how it works.
हाँ, दैट इज आई अंडरस्टैंड। मुझे यही नहीं समझा कि ओके, दिस इज इट्स अप टू यू वेदर वी वांट टू यूज इट और वी डोंट वांट।
It's up to you, like you want to use git diff or not. So I'm using the git diff, okay. So as of now, I just created a new file, b file, okay. In this file, I just wrote some content here. This is my new file b, okay. So if I status, so I'm in tracking, untracked file. It means it's a new file, okay. I will use git diff. It will not show anything because as of now there is no difference between the staging area and working directory. What I will do, I will do git add and file name. Now I will use the git diff. It will not again show you the difference. Why? In the very starting time, let me open the presentation. As of now, this is my file b here and the same file is b here, okay. There is no difference here right now. It will not show you anything in the very initial state, okay. If you do some changes here, okay, then you will do git diff. It will show you difference between this file and this file because this is already in staging area, okay. If you are changing again into this area, so it will show you difference, okay. Let me take some changes here. This is new changes. I just save it. If you see here, now it is showing me the difference here because the previously I just pushed this file till this file into the staging area, but now I changes some into the working directory, so it is showing me the difference here. Is it clear? Okay, so that's why it is showing the difference here.
Anshul, for example, if anything happen, for example, you have staging area, if you have writing something, working directly, if you have anything, for example, you told this is file name A. After that, you can push the you can add the data into the staging area, right? After that, once you have to edit anything in working directory means, if you use git diff means it will show the differences, right? In that file.
Correct. Because so what it will do, get diff A, it means it will show the difference between WD and staging area only.
Okay.
Now what I will do, I will do changes here again. Get status here, okay. What is showing me? So it is showing me the same file is having the in the two mode. The same file is having in the two mode. It's an interview question like what is the use case scenario, why, and we are getting the same file in the two areas. Like this is file to be committed. So can someone please tell me like what is the location of this file right now? Changes to be committed.
Local report.
No.
It is committed right already.
So
in that
No.
data
If you see
staging area, staging
changes to be committed.
staging
area.
committed होना है यानी इसमें you need to be committed that now it is in this area. It can
be committed.
It is committed, right? That code was committed and it will show it will store the data into the local repo, right?
I didn't
use committed, right? The data, those data.
Did I use the command git commit -m and adding new file for B? No, right?
No, but before you told working directory, you told right before scenario working directory before you didn't give a git add. On that time also staging area, if you use git diff means it will automatically show the differences, right? Like that, if you give Git commit means it will automatically it will those data into local repo only, right?
Yeah, that is correct. But here I didn't push my code into the local repository right now.
Okay.
For the B file, I committed the file only A, but I didn't commit the file B. If you see here, we are seeing the M. M is modified. Okay. So as of now, we have a same file. It is changing to be committed. It means now this file is in staging area. And if you see the changes not state for the committed commit, it means it is in the local repository. Oh, sorry, working directory.
Staging. Yeah, yeah.
Staging.
You can see working directory.
After committed, it will go in the local.
देखो तीन प्रोसेस होते हैं पहले
Once once add the data into means it will local staging area, right?
या तीन तीन स्टेज होती हैं पहले जाएगी वर्किंग में वर्किंग से फिर जाएगा स्टेजिंग में स्टेजिंग से फिर जाएगा आपका लोकल रिपोजिटरी में अभी ये क्या कह रहा है व्हाट इज शोइंग इन द वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी
एक और हो जाता है सर, यदि हम नई फाइल ऐड करेंगे तो अनट्रैक्ड से स्टार्ट करेंगे। अनट्रैक्ड
अभी यहाँ पे आपको अनट्रैक्ड नहीं दिखा रहा है इट इज नॉट शोइंग द
हाँ
अनट्रैक्ड
सर, वो ओल्ड फाइल नहीं है ना, उसमें हमने मॉडिफिकेशंस कर रहे हैं ना, इसलिए वो अनट्रैक्ड नहीं दिखाएगा।
हाँ समझ रहे हैं ना सो वी हैव चेंजेस समथिंग in this is in the working directory and this file this code is into the staging area. Okay, what you will do now, you will do commit. Okay, and get log -f1 one line. If you see here, as of now we have a two commit IDs. This commit ID is for the A file, this commit ID is for the B file. Correct? So we have a two commit because this commit is for the A file, this commit is for the B file. Okay, and suppose that you have commit this file. You have commit this file and you want to undo this file because you don't want to commit but somehow mistakenly you committed the file. Okay, so you want to undo the changes. So we will use the get revert and then commit ID. So you will not use the control jet, you will use the get revert and the 7-digit number of the commit ID and enter. Okay, so it is showing the your please commit your changes or stash or before you merge. Let me check the get status. Every time you are facing some issue, just check the get status. What is the issue going on here? Okay, if you see here on the master branch changes not staged for the commit. Okay, so first of all we need to clear it this and clear this layer. Okay, so changes not staged for the commit. As of now it is in the staging area. Okay, so you need to use the you need to make it to the commit. Then only you will use the previous command get commit. Let me check the get status. Okay, now it is in the staging area, right? Previously it was in the working directory. commit changes not staged mid changes staging में नहीं है अभी. So मैंने get add dot मतलब now it is in the staging area right now. Okay, so what I will do, I will commit get commit -m adding the B file. Okay, so now we will be having the three commit here. It will show here get log. It will show you the all the three commits what we have done. Okay, and now what I will do, -f1 one line. So as of now we are having only three commits are here, and if you see here for no any issue Get status. Okay, so you can see nothing is on commit and working tree is clean. Okay, then you can revert the changes. You can revert the commit. It will not conflict here. Git revert. For an example, I have this file. This is my new file. Okay, and I will commit this file. Revert this file. It is deleted. You can see it is deleted because I created the file and I undo that file, so it will be deleted. Create का उल्टा क्या हो गया? Delete का उल्टा create. Okay, revert. Every time whenever you are using the undo command, so it will create a new commit ID. Let me clear it out. Git log -hyphen one line. If you see here, first of all, just please pay attention here. So we have a 4 commit ideas here. Okay, so first of all, this is my first commit. Okay, this commit is belong for like I created a new file A. Okay, and now this one file revert of adding a new file, इसका undo कर दिया. I did undo of this adding a new file. It means deleting a file. Create का opposite क्या हो गया? Delete. Delete का opposite क्या हो गया? Create. Create का opposite delete and delete का opposite create. As simple as that. Okay. So if I do undo of this one, so what will happen?
It will again create.
It will create, right? Because this file is created. I did undo of this file. Create का opposite delete. It deleted the file. File is not here. See. Okay. Then I will undo of the deleted. Undo of delete is create the file. Git revert and copy paste. You see, A is now again here. Reapplying new file. If you want to see, give some any other, you can give any name. Okay. So let me clear the screen. So again, I did revert of this one. So it means reapply. What reapply? Adding new file A. New file A. इसको दोबारा से reapply कर दिया. अब again, I do
हमने डिलीट करी थी क्या? बी को हमने डिलीट किया.
नहीं, B की मैं बात ही नहीं कर रहा, मैं A की बात कर रहा हूँ.
तो ए को डिलीट किया हमने.
हाँ. यहाँ पे हमारी A फाइल क्रिएट हुई थी. इसका मैंने undo किया. क्रिएट का undo क्या हो गया? डिलीट हो गया. ठीक है. अब डिलीट का undo कर दिया मैंने, तो क्या हो गया? क्रिएट हो गई.
सर इसको एक बार वापस डिलीट करेंगे, मतलब डिलीट करके मतलब सिर्फ कमांड क्या है? सिर्फ डिलीट
नहीं, undo revert. If I will revert this one, so what will happen? Anyone guess? Any guess, right? Guys, any guess like what will happen if I undo of this one?
What undo means it will delete the file, right?
It will delete. Okay. Git revert. Okay. I am undo of this one.
ठीक सर.
Okay.
It will delete it. Yes, correct.
And for a record, it will show you the.
Again, if you give you.
Yeah.
You were saying something, Ujjwal?
No, sir, please continue.
Okay. So this is the function of revert. Okay. Every time whenever you are doing some changes or you are doing the undo, okay. So it will give you the record. You will get the commit ID for your understanding, like what I am doing here. Okay.
So revert and roll back.
And so if you give undo a git revert and ID name, if you give ID name means it one time it will delete and you can reapply. You can reapply and you can get it those data, right?
Correct.
Okay.
So roll back please. That A.
Roll back also same that one. Revert. If you use git revert means ID if you give means it will you can roll back those data. If you use the revert same file means it will delete the file direct. I think so.
Simple.
Not so it shows that one way.
Please roll back, git revert, and then
Do not confuse, guys. Like only remember revert command. Get revert. Okay.
yeah, that is okay. Can you again bring that a file?
Sure. Get revert. Here is there. See.
So अभी permanently delete करना है तो command different होगी, right?
हाँ. परमानेंट अगर डिलीट करना है अगर आप चाहोगे इसका हिस्ट्री भी नहीं आए कोई देख ही ना सके तो उसके लिए होती है हमारी रीसेट कमांड।
तो रीसेट, अच्छा सर, यदि हम इसी फाइल को a.txt फाइल को हमें यूज नहीं करना है और हम बाद में अभी जब करना होगा तब करेंगे, लाइक स्टैशिंग। अच्छा, और एक कमांड और है सर, गिट इग्नोर।
डॉट गिट इग्नोर।
तो स्टैशिंग और गिट इग्नोर में अंतर क्या हुआ सर?
डॉट गिट इग्नोर में ये होता है कि वो फाइल आपकी होती है वहाँ प्रेजेंट, ठीक है, वर्किंग डायरेक्टरी होती है लेकिन वो उसको कंसीडर नहीं करता, वो गेट उसको ट्रैक नहीं करता। स्टैश में ये होता है कि कुछ आप आपकी 10-12 फाइलें हैं स्टैशिंग एरिया में और आप उसको वापस डिस्कार्ड नहीं करना चाहते हो और उसको कमिट भी नहीं करना चाहते हो।
सर ये दोनों का एग्जांपल बताइए ना।
हाँ बिल्कुल बिल्कुल, स्टेप बाय स्टेप ही चल रहा है ना अभी। रिवर्ट क्लियर हो गया ना?
ठीक। हाँ, रिवर्ट इज क्लियर।
Actually, one doubt here. So you are adding only one file, a.txt or या कि b.txt. समझो एक 5 या कि 10 फाइल्स है, उन सब बाकी सबको रेफरेंस कमेंट्स एक ही होता ना?
नहीं, अगर आप सिर्फ इस वाले कमिट पे कर रहे हो, इस वाले कमिट पे कर रहे हो तो ए फाइल पे रिफ्लेक्ट होगा जिसके लिए कर रहे हो। अगर मैं इस पे करूंगा रिवर्ट तो ये बी फाइल में जो मॉडिफिकेशन मैंने बाद में करी है उसको अंडू कर देगा। मान लीजिए कि सपोज दैट कि मेरा बी है, ठीक है, अभी इसमें ये है और मैंने ये करके उसको कमिट कर दिया, उसको अगर मैं अंडू करता हूँ तो क्या होगा? अंडू, ये चेंजेस अंडू हो जाएंगे। It will only process only on your current file in which file you are like you have a commit ID.
Okay. So in that case, while committing itself, if we have 5 to 10 files at a time, for all the 10 files, it will go back, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So we cannot give different commit comments like reference comments for each file. That means if you want, we have to commit one at a time, right?
Yeah.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
Revert will work only on the single commit ID.
Okay.
If you want to do the undo, so you will use the undo. As simple as that. Like मैंने यहाँ पे I did something right here and then I am doing here. I committed it file, then I am undoing this one, so it will delete here. You can take any random commit ID and you can undo as per your requirement. You can do hands-on from your end. If you are stuck, you can ask me. Okay. So then we have a very dangerous command that you will not use. You will use very rarely in your project. So that is very very powerful command. That is a reset command. Okay. That will not even leave you with the commit ID. There is no record. Like if someone is using a reset command, it will not show you the like commit ID. It will not show the history as well. So very rarely you will be using, but you need to understand how the reset works, and it's a very popular command. Like for an example, let me check, let me clear that and get log -1 line. Okay, if you see here, so for an example, this is my adding to one till now only I want my changes. I did multiple changes till now. Okay, in this like I did modification to the B file. Okay, I did modification this line, then I added and revert, then I reapply, then reapply, then reapply. Okay, so I want only changes till this. I want changes into the my file till this. So we will use the get reset hard and you will use the head tile scene. Like for example, if you want to count 1 2 3 4 5, okay, then you will use a 5 here. Now if you see here, head is now at the this one. Get log hyphen 19. Correct? So we are only having the data till this one. If you again use this one, what it will do? It will delete the file B, because in this commit I created the file B and I did some modification. Okay. Now if you see here, B is deleted. Okay. So I will be having only what it will do, head tiled 1. Tiled 1 means it will delete the topmost one. If I use the git reset hyphen hard head tiled 5. Tiled 5 means it will delete the topmost 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will delete the top successive or topmost commit ID. It will delete. Okay. So if I use the top 5, so I only have this much commit ID. I have only this much commit ID. Okay.
सर लास्ट के 2 बचेंगे, मतलब जो पहले की स्टार्टिंग से किया हुआ है तो पीछे से 5 डिलीट कर देगा।
हाँ, ऊपर से 5 डिलीट कर देगा, ये ऊपर से जो भी 5 कमिट है
ऊपर से, मतलब कि जैसे मतलब 1 2 3 4 5, तो वो पीछे से करेगा कि जो करंट किया हुआ है उसको डिलीट करेगा वहां से 5।
ये कमिट जो है आपके ऊपर 5 डिलीट मार देगा। जहाँ पे अभी आपका हेड है, अभी आपका हेड टॉप पे है, ठीक है,
हेड से 5
डिलीट कर देगा। यहाँ पे भी आपका हेड इज अ पॉइंटर करंट वर्जन, करंट कमिट। देन आई यूज द हेड 1। ओके, तो हेड 1 में क्या हो गया, अभी आपके 2 हैं, इसमें से 2 कमिट है, ठीक है। यू हैव द 2 कमिट्स आईडी हियर, सो आई विल रिमूव द टॉप 1 इफ आई यूज द हेड 1। ओके, सो इट विल रिमूव द टॉप 1। अगर ये रिमूव हो गया तो इसका मतलब क्या है, बी रिमूव हो जाना चाहिए। देखो बी रिमूव हो गया इसके फायर होने के बाद। सो आई एम एडिंग अ न्यू फाइल ए। सो मेरे पास ए फाइल बची हुई है बस।
So if someone uses this command, so will this be traceable? Like
No.
So we don't even know whether they have used this reset command or not.
No. So this is a very dangerous command. It will not show you the history.
हिस्ट्री में नहीं पता चलेगा किसने रन किया हिस्ट्री से।
नहीं, अगर उन्होंने कुछ पॉलिसी वगैरह लगा रखी हो लाइनक्स सर्वर में कि कौन सी कमांड आप फायर कर रहे हो और लाइनक्स पे मशीन पे कर रहे हो तो पॉसिबल है, लेकिन यहाँ पे ऐसे पॉसिबल नहीं है। अगर कोई उन्होंने पॉलिसी वगैरह लगा रखी हो एडिशनली तो पॉसिबल है, अदरवाइज बाय डिफॉल्ट पॉसिबल नहीं है। इन द गिट, एज पर द पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू गिट, इट इज नॉट पॉसिबल। That's why very rarely we use the reset command.
v.txt is still available in your local, right?
Which one?
v.txt.
No, it is not available.
In your local working directory.
No, it is not there. This is my local, right?
If you use reset git reset hard head equal to 1, if you given means everything will delete, right? If we in that local repository we can't able to see, right, those files.
Yes. If you want to see in my local repository,
Okay. Can you delete A and you can show me once again if it is deleted or
sure. So tell me what I need to write here.
you can create one B file and you can showcase to me first in a local repository. After that you can delete that file.
I am creating a file 1 here. Okay. I'm just
without here creating also we can't able to write with the help of command line we can't able to create the files that file txt file we can't able to create.
We can create.
Can you showcase to me that one?
What I need to give the name, file1.txt. Okay. So if you see, we are seeing the U means untracked. It's a new file, untracked. Get status If you see, this is an untracked file. That's why it is showing the U here. Correct? Then what I will do, I will commit it. Git add staging area, then git commit -m message creating a file one.
Amshul, one more doubt. You git add dot. If you use a dot, also you can all the files which have data, you will commit for that one.
Yes. If you want to specify any file, you can.
That file name also we can able to add those data into the local staging area, right? Working area to staging area.
Correct.
Okay, fine.
Okay, now what I will do, it is already committed, right? Git log -hyphen one line. Okay, if you want to delete this one, right? That was your requirement, right? Pushparaj?
First, you can showcase to me in local repository, means display in desktop for that file created or not. Okay, fine.
Now I will do reset. I will do reset till now. Okay, as of now my head pointer is available for this one. As of now, this is my current commit. This is my header. This is my current. Okay, I want to head this one. So what will happen? This file one will not be exist anymore. Is it clear? What I'm trying to say you?
Yes,
Uh,
right.
can we delete a.txt now?
A.txt, yeah, we can do, but we need to delete this one as well. We need to revert this one as well.
No, not as well. I want to keep
Without
file one.
disturbing the file, we can able to delete that file. Yeah?
Sorry, Anil, you are saying that you want to keep this file and you want to delete this file.
Yes.
File one.txt is there. That one you can keep that one file and you can do delete that a.txt without touching your file one.txt.
A is deleted, right?
Yes.
That why you are trying to do, right? A is deleted. If you see here, A is deleted. Correct? If you see in the working directory, A is deleted.
Yes.
Now check the git log.
Get log one file. One file.
So it will show you the history as well. I revert the file because in this commit I created the file. इसका undo करोगे तो क्या हो गया? इसका delete हो गया file.
Okay. Now,
Without
can you
using the
reset?
reward function, we can able to delete for that one. With the help of reset.
Can you reset revert ID and as well as adding a new file A? Can you
No,
reset?
without reverting that file, without doing this functionality, we can able to delete that one without touching that. Why? Because you have once created the txt file one dot. After that, you are reverting that one. Without reverting, we can able to delete that one.
Yeah, we can delete this one. Yeah, we have a file one txt. Okay, I will delete this one. Git reset -hyphen hard. It will remove from the working directory, staging area, and local repository. Okay, hard, and I will use the head tile and sign will be 2 1. Now let me check the git log where we are right now. Creating the file one. As of now, we are at this way. Okay. Again, I will do file one is deleted. Okay. As of now, what is our location right now? We are pointing at adding a new file only. Okay. So this commit is there. Is this clear to you, Pushparaj?
Unsure. What I'm asking. So you created first a.txt. After that, you have created one more file one.txt, right? Without touching that file one.txt, we can able to delete a.txt for that one without doing any revert and doing the transformation. With the help of that ID, based on that ID, we can able to delete that one. Like git reset hard head equal to that ID. If you give that ID, means we can able to delete that file based on that one.
Yes, we can do it. Git reset and -hyphen hard and commit ID. For which commit ID you want to delete?
Okay.
It will delete only that commit ID.
You are telling that that head one, and that means why last one log. Based on that log, it will reset that won't showcase.
It
I'm
will
asking
delete
you
the
based on
top.
the file.
It
I'm
Pushparaj,
telling.
it
Pushparaj,
will
it will
delete the
delete the
top
top
one.
one,
Yes, yes, yes.
Top
top
one.
one.
Okay, okay.
Actually, if I want to keep the file in my local, is there any possibility instead of giving a hard here? So will that work?
Can you
Can you
pardon,
pardon,
please?
please?
I want to keep my the files in my local machine as
Uh-huh.
it is. I just want to delete it from the local repository. That's it.
Yeah, that
Yeah,
is
that is
possible.
possible.
If you
If
see
you see
here,
here,
okay,
okay,
so I have
so I have
already
already
given you
given
the,
you the
like,
like
this is your
this is your
requirement. Like,
requirement.
you
Like
don't
you don't
want to
want to
in the
in the
hard,
hard,
it will
it will
delete
delete
from the
from the
working
working
directory,
directory,
staging area,
staging
and
area, and
local
local
repository.
repository.
Okay,
Okay,
and
and
your
your
requirement is
requirement
like,
is like
I
I
don't
don't
want in the
want in the
local
local
repository, but
repository,
I
but
want
I
into
want
my
into my
system.
system.
Correct.
Correct?
Yes, yes,
So
correct.
you
So
will
you
use
will use
hyphen
hyphen
soft.
soft.
It will
It
work.
will work.
Okay, got it. Thank you.
If you use the parameter hyphen mix,
then
then
your
your
file will
file
be
will be
into the
into the
working
working
directory,
directory,
but
but
not in
not in
staging
staging
area,
area,
not into
not
the
into the
local
local
repository.
repository.
Clear?
Clear?
Essential. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
now I
now I
will
will
give
give
some
some
brief
brief
about the
about the
branching.
branching.
Where to
Where to
use
use
branching and
branching
how
and
to
how
use
to
the
use the
branching.
branching.
Branching is a
Branching is a
very
very
important
important
feature.
feature, very important
Feature
feature
you need
you
to
need
use
to
on a
use on a
daily
daily
basis.
basis.
How to
How to
use the
use the
branching and
branching
how
and
to
how to
resolve the
resolve the
conflict on the
conflict on the
branching.
branching.
Okay.
Okay,
As of
as of
now,
now,
if you
if you
see
see
git
git
branch,
branch,
so we
so
have
we have
only
only
master
master
branch as
branch
of
as
now.
of now.
Okay.
Okay,
So if you
so if
want
you
to
want to
create the
create the
one
one
branch,
branch,
git
git
checkout
checkout
hyphen
hyphen
b,
b,
it will
it will
create the
create the
branch, and
branch,
it
and
will
it
you
will
will
you will
switch into
switch
the
into the
new
new
branch,
branch
like
like
development
development
branch.
branch.
Now
Now
you will
you will
use the
use the
git
git
branch.
branch.
So if
So
you
if you
see there
see
is a
there is a
pointer, if
pointer, if
pointer
pointer
means
means you are
currently in
currently in
this
this
dev
dev
branch,
branch,
and you
and
have
you
a
have
two
a two
branch
branch
here,
here,
development
development
and
and
master
master
branch.
branch.
You
You
may
may
have a
have a
like
like
feature
feature
branch or
branch
any
or
other
any other
branch.
branch.
It may
It may
depends on
depends
your
on your
use case
use case
scenario.
scenario.
So as
So
of
as
now
of
I
now,
am
I
right
am
now
right
into
now
the
into the
development
development
branch,
branch,
dev
dev
branch.
branch.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
it's a
it's a as a
isolate
isolate
environment. It's
environment.
a
It's a
separate
separate
environment.
environment.
Okay.
Okay,
So
so
you can
you can
consider
consider
like this
like this
way.
way.
This is your
This is your
production. This is
production.
your
This is your
pre-prep,
pre-prep,
UAT,
UAT,
app
app
build.
build.
Okay. So
Okay,
we
so
have
we have
this much
this
of
much of
environments are
environments
in
are
the
in the
company.
company.
So
So
directly you
directly
will
you will
not
not
change
change
merging or
merging or
changes into
changes into
master,
master
because
because
that's a
that's a
live.
live.
Before
Before
trying
trying
into the
into the
before
before
deploying your
deploying your
application to the
application to the
master,
master,
you will
you will
check
check
your
your
application to the
application to the
development
development
branch
branch
or
or
prep
prep
branch.
branch.
Okay.
Okay,
If it
if it
is
is
working, your
working, your
application is
application is
working
working
fine on
fine
this
on this
branch,
branch,
then
then
you
you
will
will
move your
move your
application into the
application into the
master,
master
because you
because
will
you
be
will be
expecting
expecting
your
your
application
application
was
was
working fine
working
on
fine
this
on this
branch, so
branch,
it
so
will be
it will be
working on
working
the
on the
live
live
branch,
branch,
production
production
branch.
branch.
So
So
that is
that
the
is the
use case
use case
scenario. You
scenario.
will be
You will be
using the
using the
branching
branching
strategy.
strategy.
As of
As
now,
of now,
I'm in the
I'm in the
dev
dev
branch,
branch,
right?
right?
So I
So
will
I
get
will
a
get
new
a new
file
file
here.
here.
Sir, the checkout is like okay, minus p. It's just a parameter here, or what is that?
Parameter
Parameter
means
means
you are
you are
checking
checking
out.
out.
Okay,
Okay,
checkout
checkout
means
means
switching.
switching.
hyphen b
Hyphen b
means
means
branch
branch
and
and
branch
branch
name.
name.
आपने एक
आपने
dev
एक
नाम की
नाम
एक
की एक
ब्रांच
ब्रांच
बनाई है,
बनाई है,
dev नाम
डेव
की एक
नाम की
ब्रांच
ब्रांच
बनाई है,
बनाई है,
उसमें
उसमें
चेकआउट भी
चेकआउट
कर
भी कर
दिया है.
दिया है.
Hyphen B means
hyphen b
हाइफन बी
means
मीन्स
branch.
ब्रांच.
okay.
चेकआउट माइनस बी डेव जो हमें ब्रांच का नाम देना है.
हाँ,
हाँ,
आपने एक
आपने
नई
एक नई
ब्रांच
ब्रांच
बनाई है
बनाई है
dev
डेव
नाम
नाम
की,
की
और
और
ब्रांच का
ब्रांच का
नाम
नाम
hyphen b
हाइफन बी
means
मीन्स
branch.
ब्रांच.
आपने
आपने हाइफन
dev नाम
डेव
की एक
नाम की एक
ब्रांच
ब्रांच
बनाई है,
बनाई है,
उसमें
उसमें
आपने
आपने
चेकआउट भी
चेकआउट
कर
भी
दिया
कर
है.
दिया है.
ठीक.
Checkout
चेकआउट
means
मीन्स
switch.
स्विच.
You
You
did
did
switch
switch
and you
and you
created the
created the
branch
branch
dev.
tab. So
So I
I
did
did
git
git
branch. It
branch. It
means
means
in which
in which
branch you
branch
are
you
right
are
now.
right now.
So
So
right now
right
I
now
am in
I'm
the
in the
dev
dev
branch
branch
right now.
right now. Okay, I am creating a new file. This says on dev branch file 1.txt. Okay, it created the one file file1.txt. If you see in the working directory as well, it will be there. Okay, I created this file. Now what I will do git status, and you will see untracked file. It's a new file. You see, u means untracked file. Okay, so I will move it to the staging area.
Git add.
Now it is showing the a means it is in staging area, index area, staging area. Okay, now what I will do git commit -m, and I will do some message added
Branching.
dev branch. It is committed. Okay, if you see here git log -1 line master. So this is my master logs, correct? And now I will use the git dev. This is my development branch. You see there is a difference. Anyone can please explain me what is the difference here? Any guess?
Yeah, master से वो मतलब right now it is in development branch. So means what's the question is means
The
what type of
content what is
difference?
present in master is also
to dev को tab master से
Yeah.
tab पे switch कराएं.
हाँ हाँ वो तो मतलब हो गया लेकिन मतलब सर और क्या मतलब what the difference है दोनों का आईडी अलग होगा?
नहीं, इस वाली like git checkout master. ठीक है?
अभी तो ये तो मास्टर पे आ गया सर ये.
हाँ, देखो अभी यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पे file1.txt is not available, right? If I do use git checkout dev, file is there. In the dev
the
branch, we
content
created a
available in
file.
master is also available in dev branch along with the new changes.
Yeah. Like this is my production branch. This is my master branch. Okay, this is my master branch. What I did, I created a new separate branch from here. This is a new environment. Okay, as of now I am this is my dev. Okay, so what I did, I have a file here, right? So what I did, I went into this dev branch. I created a new file, file1.txt. Okay, so क्या ये file1.txt will be able into the master branch? ये तो अलग सेपरेट लाइन है ना, दिस सेपरेट लाइन, दिस इज सेपरेट लाइन. यहाँ पे क्या है? यहाँ पर a file 1 plus a file. यहाँ पे क्या है? a. Is it making sense?
इस ब्रांच पे नया फाइल बनाया है और इधर ये तो मास्टर वाला ऐसे ही है जो ये चल रहा था दैट इज ओके.
दोनों बहुत अलग environment. In the environment, in the production environment, we are not directly pushing our code into this branch. We are just testing on this branch. If the application is working fine on this application in this branch, then we will move our application into this branch. Okay, first of all, we will do some testing. If it is fine, then we will deploy application on this master branch.
First, we need to test on the development. After that, we need to post the data into the master server, right? Like you told UAT. After that, pre repository, like that we need to do, right?
Correct.
Okay, fine, I'm sure. Thank you.
Thanks. Okay, so what I will do again, I will, as of now in the dev branch, because in the dev branch I have these two files. Okay, if you see here. Okay, now what I will do, I will check out to the master branch. Check out master. Only one file is available. You see the same concept. Any doubt or any confusion?
No unsure. As of now, no.
Okay, guys. So for today only we will keep this today only. Otherwise it will make confusion for you. So as per yesterday, so we will continue from here on tomorrow at the same time 9 p.m. Any doubt till now?
No.
Unsure. One. You told some PDFs is there. Can you share me and that those files in WhatsApp group so
Yeah,
that you can refer and you can learn those things from that PDF.
sure, definitely. So guys, for the hands-on, we started the hands-on period as well. So because I don't want to like you are learning, and if you will not use this concept, you will forget the concept as well. So I have initiated the I am going to initiate the platform as well. So you will there you will guys do the hands-on on the daily basis. Okay, whatever we will learning on day by day. So you will do the hands-on as well. Otherwise, you will forget the concept and you will waste your time. Okay, so that's why reason I created the hands-on. I am just creating, I am working on the website as well. So once the website is finished, so you will be able to access the website as well.
कब तक हो जाएगी सर?
अभी चल रही है, मैं आपको दिखाता हूँ, कई सारी वेबसाइट चल रही हैं. devopstraining.in anyway. And also we will provide you the certification as well. This is also in development. Okay, so let me give you some practicals so you can do hands-on. So today I will give you one scenario on the AWS. I will give you some time. I will give you 30 minutes or 25 minutes. Okay, so depends on the topic. You need to do hands-on on your own. Okay, so after the 20 minutes is over, so then I will explain you from scratch. Okay. For today, you have an assignment. I will give you the assignment. Create EC2 with Amazon Linux. It is a AMI. Okay. And host the index.html and the code is this is my first website. Use HTTPD web server for okay, so this is your assignment. Any doubt for this one? Or is it clear to all? This is very simple. This is very basic, and we can start with this one. How many of you understand like this requirement.
समझ में आ गया.
I understood.
Got it? Any doubt about this question? Yeah, Tanushar, you are speaking something.
Yes. Yes, half of the but use of HTTP web server application, I'm not aware. I think so.
No worries. You can go ahead and you can create the machine in with the help of Amazon Linux. Till the part where you are aware, you can do whatever you know. Okay. So after 15 minutes, I will give you only 15 minutes. Okay. After 15 minutes, I will explain you.
Okay,
You can do whatever you know.
okay.
Okay. Just you can start now. And the time is right now is in my mobile. It is 10:40. Okay. So I will come back by 10:55.
Okay.
ETA, let me clear ETA. ETA is 10:55. 45. So this is SLA, okay? So guys, you can start with this assignment. This is your assignment first. And you can also discuss with each other like you are already there, okay? Someone knows something, someone know other things. You can discuss here also. If someone want to share your screen, you can go ahead and share your screen as well. Is it clear, guys? Ujjwal and all, Komal.
Yes, clear.
Okay, so who is going to share your screen? Ujjwal, are you going to share your screen?
Yeah, hi, this is Charan. Okay, I'll share the screen and try to do this.
Okay.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen. Mm, Just a minute.
I'm posting this in the chat as well. Just try whatever you know, okay? Nothing else.
Yeah,
I am not like your manager. I am just not to give you some. I will not judge you, okay?
yeah, okay. Can you see
For
my
your
screen?
assignment. Guys, you can assist to the secure hands. Charan, you can assist to the.
सर मैंने मशीन तो बना ली है और बस वो पोस्ट करना है तो वो कर रहा हूँ.
करो डिस्कस भी कर लो. कोई अगर जैसे सिक्योर एंड कुछ गलत करो तो इनको थोड़ा गाइड करो.
Is my screen visible?
Guys, you can talk to each other.
Yes.
Okay.
It's visible.
Yeah, just a minute.
I think for me, screen got hanged. AWS, that sign in page only is there still.
Okay, just a minute.
Okay, sure.
Is it okay now?
Yes, I think you are logging.
No, now it's working.
Blank location.
तो नहीं दिख रही है. आपको दिख रही है किसी को? अभी
हाँ लोड हो रही है वो.
Okay, I'm launching EC2 instance. Okay. T2 micro is fine, right?
Default is it, and you can go down. Storage,
Default is already there.
eight and okay, you can create none. Okay.
Yeah. Just a minute. Just a minute. Okay.
Click on that one and you can launch that one.
Yeah, yeah. It is in pending state. Let it run first, then we can.
Okay, sure.
Okay. Meanwhile, I can change the security groups.
And inbound
In
also.
In Git Bash, I have committed that one, the server machine.
You can give all it is. IPv4 your all traffic. Okay, fine.
Mm.
IPv4.
Yeah, yeah.
You can
Inbound rules.
that one means while you are accessing that one inbound and outbound, we need to give permission. That one
Yeah.
security permission.
For this
While
HTTP,
creating an instance, we are doing that one.
We need to give that
देखो
permission.
ports
If you
open
are not giving permission,
ports
means
के
we
लिए
can't able to access.
I mean, for this HTTP server, we need to open this port
open
80.
the ports.
That's why. Actually, we can
Once can you repeat that one step once?
see. Okay, I went to security groups. See, this is my default one. This is what we
Okay.
use for the instance creation. So I edited the inbound route. Inbound means incoming traffic. So here, why we have two things here? Okay,
No, one is the default. You can delete one. First one you can delete. You can all
yeah.
traffic that one also is there already. I think you created not required. You can delete anyone and you can question.
Okay, I'll delete one thing.
It is fine.
Okay. See,
It is enough.
see here. This is the security group ID, and this is we can give
You
whatever. I
can
mean, for
you
now,
need to give IPv4 and based on that one we need to give
yeah, yeah.
this
For
permission
this
is very
instance, I'm
required.
giving only all traffic.
Yes, yes.
So source any,
IPv4.
yeah,
Why
we
again
can.
that waiting?
Yeah. Okay, I think server is launched.
Security permission. You can go back one step. You can go for the instances. It is running. I think you can go for that website and you can take it the URL and you can do that one.
Yeah, yeah. I want to connect it from here. Where is this?
I think you need to take that IP address based on that one
No, no.
only. You can
This is my I mean, my company laptop. I can't access this through my
okay.
mobile extreme. I forget that. That's why. I mean, from here also, from browser we can connect. That's what I'm searching for.
Same problem with me. I forget the private key.
Somewhere
Private we can able to we can create that one while creating instances. Now that time we can able to create that key space and that. Security.
okay, yeah, this is where we can connect.
Establishing the
It is, okay. I think, do I need to update any dependencies?
thing. So for me, can you installation the code uh, enter the following command based on the command. You can give a service HTTPS dot that one.
This one.
You can try that one.
Okay, I'll check with the status first.
Yes.
Okay, okay, let's install this.
Service start.
No, no, I didn't install this HTTPD yet.
Services. Could not found like that is getting error.
No, it's okay.
Now I'm installing.
Got installed.
Yeah,
What command you given? Can you showcase me once again?
yeah. Yum install HTTPD.
If you give that one means it automatically it install in that one.
Yeah, it will download the package into the machine. So I mean, we can see here.
But you need to be with root.
Sorry.
You need to
Service
be with root.
HTTP.
Service HTTP start.
You have installed HTTP.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
Yeah, right.
HTTP D.
Yeah, HTTPD only. Yeah.
Hmm.
Can
So
install.
yeah, now I check the status. It is active and running.
Yes, okay, fine.
So next command.
मुझे लगता है अब कमांड की जरूरत नहीं है.
Check configuration HTTP. Configuration service HTTP configuration test. Check the configuration.
Okay. Errors. Okay. Syntax. Okay.
I think there is no issue. Check
Firewall
create
for-
firewall rules. Already we have given the rules. Firewall rules.
Yeah, maybe it is not required, but we'll
Not
check. So now we need to create index file.
index.
Do you know the path? Anybody?
Path. You can go for that one and you can check exactly. For me also not remember.
Okay.
CDs.
Yeah. I'll Google it.
I think if you give LS means you can. I think if found right where
Index. I mean, I done this before. That's why. I mean, just a minute.
okay. Watch index location Linux. You can go for the people lost that one. You can
Sorry.
come. I think you can search here only. If it is not found, you can go back one step and you can search with it.
Okay. Yeah, where www dot. So, okay, here we need to place the HTML file. Um, what happened to this? Okay, what is the instruction? I forget.
You can. We need to for that one. We need to post those data into the that location based on the.
No, no. I mean,
We have to host the index.html file. तो मुझे आपको कोड लिखना पड़ेगा. You have to write the like this is my page something at
okay,
that host.
okay, I understand.
The HTML
Okay.
tags, the HTML start tag, and
Hmm. Index is not required. Anything it will display.
you can any file
HTML index.html.
and write the tag angle tag and the HTML codes.
That is not required. I mean, any.
Okay. Yeah, any line is okay.
Mhm. So, okay, I'll share the IP address to everyone. Let's check. I mean, let me try once. Yeah, it's working. And you can also try this. Where's the chart? Yeah, you can paste it in your browser so you can access this.
1 second, we'll check and we'll let you know for the exact what.
Yeah, yeah.
No, we are getting redirected to notice like that. We are not. We can't able to see.
Oh, okay. It's
Your IP address only is there.
I'm getting.
okay.
Uh,
Then everybody
I'm
need to
able to
get.
access.
Okay.
For me, getting error. I think so.
Uh-huh. Maybe you
Once
need
you
to.
can put a colon 80, I think you have to put.
Yes, already I given that one.
I have directly pasted the HTTP code, so I can run the code.
Already he pasted right. Already 80 is there. He copy. He only mentioned 80 like that.
Yeah, yeah.
So for me, getting like the error
So
like
कुछ try
Sorry.
hello.
cannot paste the IP address, right?
Yes, I pasted only. No, I
Where
copy
chat?
and pasted.
I mean, is this your what to say? Your company laptop or your personal?
Personal only.
Then you need to get it.
1 second, I'll try. I'll try with another browser.
Don't give HTTPS.
No, I'm not using same that whichever given IP address. No, that one only I'm pasting over there.
Okay,
I'm
okay.
not doing any other extra things and all.
Okay.
Yes, I can able to access with Internet Explorer.
So guys, time is over. So I hope it is working for you all.
Yeah, it's working.
All right.
All
Okay.
friends, Anil, Tarusha, Komal, Ujwal, your response.
Sargul.
So I'm terminating my instance.
Yeah, yeah, okay. So guys, this is all about today assignment. Okay, so we have done for today. Okay, and so let's connect on tomorrow.
Yeah.
Okay, bye bye.
Anshul, can you share the video playlist of this course?
You didn't get it?
No, actually, I'm having only few videos because I previously haven't reached the listen the classes, so I need that classes one playlist.
Yeah, sure, sure. I will share with you. No worries.
No worries. You can
Yeah,
share
sure.
those links in group. For me also, few days I had some health issues. I didn't join. For me also, can you share those videos? Once I learned that one, I can go process based on that one.
Yeah, sure, Pushpara. I will share.
Thank you, Anshul.
In the Telegram
And
group,
for
we
me,
can
Anshul,
share.
one more thing. For me, the access got denied. Can you provide that for same for that one as well as?
Sure, sure. You can create your own account. Okay, you can log in by your own account.
सर आप टेलीग्राम पे शेयर करना है करेंगे कि व्हाट्सएप पे रहेगा क्या रहेगा?
Telegram, Telegram. We will be having the communication channel, that is a Telegram channel. Okay, we will be posting, and you can post your doubts, and you can post your query as well in the Telegram group. I will take that up whenever I.
ओके
Okay. Okay. Bye,
ओके
guys. Good night. Have a good night. Bye,
Bye.
bye.
Good night.
Bye, bye.
Bye
Bye.
bye.
Anshul.